Hi everyone. Today in this class, let us learn about a concept called casting out lines. This is very much useful in checking multiplications or big additions in competitive exams. Okay? Let us see how this concept casting out lines is useful in checking this. First of all, we should know what is this concept. So there is a big number, say, that is 5 digit, 6 digit number. So we have to add all those digits and get into a single digit. So while getting that single digit, you can use this casting out lines in this. Let us see how we do it. Okay? Let us take an example and do it. And then we will go to checking of these multiplications or additions. Okay? Let us see. Children, let us see some examples. Okay? Before that, let us see what is casting out lines. The concept we should understand. Okay? This is what is casting out of lines. This is useful in calculating the total of all these digits in a big number into one single digit number. So generally an example is 3, 4, 6, 3, 5, 1, 8, 1, 9, 3. This is how you do it. You add all the digits and you will get a 2-digit number. Then you add those 2 digits to get a single digit. So this much you need not do by this method. What is that? Casting out lines. So here there are numbers 3, 4, 6, 3, 5, 1, 8, 1, 9, 3. So you can cancel 9s in this. What are the lines here? 1, 9. Cancel it. And there are no other lines. Here now, any 2 digits adding together will give you 9. That is 8 and 1, 9. So you can cancel these two. Okay? And then another one is 5 and 4. So this also you can cancel. And 6 and 3. This also you can cancel. So 6 plus 3 is 9 cancelled, 5 plus 4 is 9 cancelled, 8 plus 1 9 cancelled, and single digit 9 cancelled. So what are you left with? 3, 1, 3. So 3 and 1 and 3 is totally 3 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. So very easily you got 7. You need not calculate all these things. Okay? This is casting out lines. The use of casting out lines is finding out the single digit number from a big number. So in competitive exams, we will check multiplications. Okay? First we will take an example. 24 into 24 is equal to 574. Okay? 574. In this 24, you got 2 digits. So by casting out lines, here there are no lines. So need not cancel anything. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Here also into 24, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. This 6 into 6 is 36. Now again, this 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So here single digit is 9. Here the product 574 is the product. In this product 574, there are no lines. But there is one 5 and 4. So you can cancel that. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So you are left with only 7. So here is only 7. But 9 is not equal to 7. So this answer is not correct. So you got here 9, you got here 7. So this 9 and 7 are not equal. So this answer is false. So like that you can calculate and see whether the equation in multiplication is right or wrong. So actually 24 by 24 is equal to 576. We know it. By checking it, we get 9 one side and 9 other side. So 9 is equal to 9. So this is correct. Okay. Now let us see a bigger example in the multiplications. So 576 into 272. It is equal to 156672. So here take 576. In this there are no lines. So, and 2 digit adding also 5 plus 1, 7 is not 9, 7 plus 6 is also 9. So, you have to add all 5 plus 7 plus 6. So, it is equal to 18. This is equal to again 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Here, the second one is 2, 7, 2. In this, there are no 9s, but then 7 and 2 are there. This 7 plus 2 is 9. So, you are left with only 2. Here 2. And here 9. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So this 18 is again added to 1 plus 5 is equal to 9. So here you got 9. Here and the product, let us check in the product. So 1, 5, 6, 6, 7, 2. In this there are no 9s, but 7 and 2 are there. 7, 2, 9. This 2 is 9. 1, 5, double 6. So you have to add all these 1, 5, double 6. 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. This gives you 18. This is again 1 plus 8. This is equal to 9. So on the left side you got 9, and the right side you got 9. 9 is equal to 9. So equal. So this answer is correct. So you have to mark here true. So this is where you can check the multiplications. Additions. Okay, we'll say one example. See one example. See 623798 plus 541372 is equal to 1075240. Here, let us see how much we get it. Here, we can, to get the single digit, cancel all 9s. 1 9 is cancelled. And 7 and 2 cancel. 6, that is 9. 6 and 3 cancel. That is 119. So you are left with only 1 8. So you put this 8 here. Plus here 541372. Here you can cancel this 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Cancel. So you are left with 1 and 3. That is 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. This is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, this single digit on the left hand side is 3. So then the right hand side answer is 1075240. Here you can cancel 5 and 4. That is 19. So 7 and 2, 19. Cancel. So you are left with 1, 0, 0. That is 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. So here you got 1. So 3 is not equal to 1. So this answer is not correct. This is not equal to 1. So left side added together is not equal to this side. So like that you see another example. One more example. 5632 2891 1870. You add together, you get 10393. Here again finding out the single digit, you cancel 5 and 6 and 3. 6 and 3 cancelled, 5 and 2 left. 5 plus 2. This is equal to 7. Here 2891. Here you cancel 8 and 1 and single digit 9. You are left with 2. So here also you cancel 8 and 1. You are left with 7 and 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. So here 7 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 16. And this is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. This side. So this side, left hand side you got 7. So on the right hand side 10393. So here you cancel 9 and no other 9s. So you calculate that is 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 3. That is 1 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 7. So on the right hand side also you got 7. That is 7 is equal to 7. So equal. So this answer is correct. So like that you can check up additions also by using casting out 9s. Okay children, I hope you have understood the concept of casting out 9s and also how to use it in checking multiplications and additions in competitive exams. If you have got any doubts in this video, please comment below. I will clarify. I also request you to follow my channel for further interesting videos on maths. Thank you.